Percentage profit and loss. So for your notes copy. Okay. So we're doing percentage profit and loss today. Okay, I'm going to write down the formulas and then we're going to talk. Yeah, you can go. Madison, it's... Oh yeah, sorry, thank you. Bye. So I'm writing down the formulas first and then I'll explain everything. Okay. Sorry, magnified. So you can put this into your notes and when you've it written down, I'll talk about it. Right. That written down? Joe, I asked a question there and nobody answered me. Will you do me a favour? Will you answer the question? Are you finished writing it down? Thanks. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I don't know, like, why you don't talk. Why don't you talk? Do you not like each other? Is that it? Are you all fighting? No? No. No. Right. Okay. So, we might try and kind of answer a small bit, yeah? Right? I don't think it's going to kill anyone. Right, okay. So if I bought a car for €1,000 and then I sold it again for €2,000, did I make a profit or a loss? Go on. A profit of how much? €1,000, didn't I? Right. If I bought a dishwasher for €500 and I sold it for €400, did I make a profit or a loss? Loss. How much of a loss? €100. So a profit means you make money, as in you sell it for more than you paid for it. A loss means you lose money, as in you sell it for less than you paid for it. Right? So you all know what a profit and loss is, don't you? Do you? Yeah. Okay. Right. So to get the profit, you put the percent profit, you put whatever the profit is. So in the case of the car, right, I made €1,000, didn't I? Over the cost price. The cost price is what I paid for it. Okay? So the cost price is what the shopkeeper or the person selling the thing paid for it. Okay? So cost price is what you paid for it. Turn something into a percentage. We had this already. You multiply by 100. Percentage loss, it's the same thing. You put the loss over the cost price and you multiply by 100. Is that okay? Here's an example. Right. So I'll leave you write it down and then we'll talk about it. Right, okay. So he buys his TV for €500, right? So that's how much he paid for it. So we call the cost price is €500. How much the shopkeeper paid for it, okay? Then he sold it for $6.50. Did he make a profit or a loss? Profit, didn't he? He sold it for more than he paid, right? So to find out what his profit is, what do I do? 650 take away 500, isn't that right? And that turns out to be 150. Agreed? Okay, now I want his percentage profit. So the rule is you take his profit. What's his profit? However much his profit is. How much is his profit? 150. You put it over the cost price. You put it over what he paid for it. So what's the cost price? 500. And how do you turn something into a percent? Multiply by 100. And you put in that into your calculator and get me an answer, so you might do that. %, 30. Do you all get that? Do you all see how that's done? Right. Okay. Is that down because I'm going to cheat? Yes. Do I have an extra calculator? I do. Right, okay, I'm going to cheat because I'm not going right now to example 2. So a shopkeeper will go with a TV again because that's written down. He buys a TV for €400 and he sells it for €350. Find his percentage, profit or loss. Do you make a profit or a loss? A loss, because he paid 400 but he only got back in 350. Find his percentage loss. So the cost price is what he paid for it. So the cost price is 400. Then I have to find the price or the size of the loss. So how much is the loss? The loss is, how do I get it? 400, take away 350, and the answer would be 50. So he made a loss of €50. That means he lost €50. Okay? So then to find his percentage loss, you take his loss, which was 50, you put it over the cost price, which was 400, and how do you turn something into a percent? Multiply by 100. Into the calculator with that and press equals. I'll leave you do it. I think it's 12.5. 12.5%. Is that okay? Would you be able to do a few of those? I think you would. Right, okay. I might get them.